Using the Capital One mobile app is quite straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through how to utilize the Capital One mobile app effectively. The process is simple, just open the app, where you'll find various features. One essential step is setting up a password. This password will be required whenever you log in or open the app. You can also redeem rewards points easily through the app if you have accumulated them. The app offers a multitude of functions, such as checking your balance, setting spending limits, and managing your accounts. Its user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can also perform tasks like transferring money to others and accessing customer support. Additionally, you can customize your profile settings according to your preferences. All your cards are conveniently displayed on the home page for easy access. That's essentially how you can utilize the Capital One mobile app. I hope you find this guide helpful.